Are you only hearing sound in one ear of your headphones? Let's get that stereo sound back fast. First, let's dive into your Windows sound settings. Click the speaker icon in your system tray, down in the right-hand corner of your screen, and then click on the Open Sound Settings option. This opens up the main sound settings area. Scroll down and find the output section. Make sure your headphones are selected as the output device. Click on Device Properties underneath the selected headphones. Here's where the magic often happens. At the bottom of the next screen, look for the balance slider. This slider is crucial. If the balance is skewed all the way to one side, you'll only hear audio in one ear. Drag the slider to its center position to ensure the sound is evenly distributed. Check your audio. If the sound balance looks correct, but you still only hear sound in one ear, sometimes outdated or corrupted audio drivers cause problems. Click on the Windows search bar and type Device Manager and open it. Now locate the audio inputs and outputs, which you will then click to expand. Also click the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. This reveals your audio devices. Right-click on your headphones or audio device in either section of your Device Manager and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for driver updates. Windows will try to find and install the latest driver for your audio device. After the update completes, restart your computer and test your headphones again. Hopefully, one of these steps has fixed your one-sided headphone sound issue, and you're now enjoying full stereo sound. If you're still having issues, check the physical connection of your headphones, and consider trying them with another device to rule out a hardware problem. Thanks for watching.